These Jordan 4s right here, guys, made history. Yes, I'll bring you the presentation and everything. But yes, I still have them in the box, and I don't play around when it comes to these Paris Saint-Germain 4s right here. You guys know what's up when it comes to these bad boys. And if you don't, you're going to find out real soon what kind of commotion this created. Roll my intro. We ain't got time to waste. Hit it. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things. No, I don't have the box right here because right now it's on my crotch. But they're still in the box. They're not raw. Huh? But guys, this collaboration right here with Jordan and Paris Saint-Germain, boy, this was something else, man. I'm going to be showing you the sneaker. Just remember, this thing started a commotion from hell. It came out in the middle of the pandemic when all hell was breaking loose, guys. And this right here, a lot of people blame it that it was part of the whole Jordan 4 hype. I don't know. You guys give me the opinion on it. But I tell you one thing, it is one of the most sought after Jordans in history. Dead serious about it. And the prices are not that bad, guys. I'll give you the pricing at the end, fitment, sizing, the whole thing on foot. You guys know what's up. So let's get into it immediately. A little bumpy right there, yes. Let's get into it immediately. I've worn these shoes, guys, maybe twice before, baby. It's just a beautiful, but you guys will see what's the reason why I don't wear them very much. Let's start off with the presentation before we get into this bad boy right here. It's blocking my left eye. As you guys can see right there, obviously you guys are not gonna probably picture what I'm about to say, but it has this nice film to the actual cardboard that makes it very smooth. The whole lid is extremely smooth, and it has embossed the Paris Saint-Germain with the Jordan logo right in the middle in white. It is like a burgundy color, guys. In the Jordan realm, it's called Bordeaux. Yes, Bordeaux. And in the inside of the lid, there's absolutely nothing, guys. You just see the little bit of embossment. Going to the bottom of the box, it has that same texture all the way around. Nothing written on it or anything like that, guys. And you see the QR codes right there, size 9.5, the whole shebang, boom, bam, bing, bing, bing. I actually had to get these through resale back when these shoes came out. And going inside of the box, you see the paper with the Paris Saint-Germain logo, the Jordan logo in white, and you see like it was a grass field all the way through it. Very nice. I love that touch right there. It's very simple, guys. It's a very simple box, but very nice. Take care of your boxes, I always say. No, I'm not doing this one. I'm not doing this one. I take care of this one, guys. This has stories behind it. And now we get into this bad boy right there. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Paris Saint-Germain Jordan 4. A thing of beauty all the way through. But wait, I'm giving you too much, guys. I'm giving you too much right there. You already know how I start this off. The materials. And the toe box. Guys, the leather on the toe box is nothing to play around with. Like I said, I've worn these sneakers twice. And man, it's easily creased for the simple fact that it's very high quality tumbled leather. Very soft, very buttery, very nice, very good quality. You guys know when I mention the nice, that means the quality is good. The whole toe box is surrounded with that gray nubuck that is very good quality. Also, guys, just in case you see a little bit of smudges here and there, like I say, I leave the shoes with the memories and just the way it is. Going to the upper of the shoe, you see behind the mesh, you see that it's actually black, guys. It comes with the white laces, and the lace holders right there are in that Bordeaux color. In other words, something like a burgundy, if you want to get more technical about it. It does not come with extra laces, guys. It comes with the white laces, but the tips are in gold, as you guys can see it right there. Going all the way to the top of the tongue, the leather is identically the same as the rest of all the white leather on the shoe. It's that tumbled, very high quality leather. And the tab on the tongue has the Jordan logo, very nicely sewn, very exquisite, very high class. Yes. And it says Flight in burgundy. I'm telling you guys, Nike better hire me for salesman, boy. I say these words right there. Just imagine that. The hell was that? Don't worry about that, guys. If people have been following this channel for a very long time, people know that there's a lot of haunting stuff that happens in this channel. Out of a sudden, things shut off. The beginning was really bad. You guys can go see the videos of the past, and dude, there was some spooky stuff that would happen. That's serious, guys. Things out of the blue. But whatever. Don't mind that. Don't mind that at all. Go with it. Go with it. Let's get back into these beauties right here and forget about the ghost. Going to the side of the shoe, one of my favorite touches of the actual sneaker, besides the actual color. I love the color of this shoe all the way through, guys. It has the white. It has the Bordeaux. Here I go again with the Bordeaux. I don't know why. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it a burgundy. I don't really like saying the Bordeaux. But yes, you can see the burgundy color and the little touches, and you see right there, actually standalone. I like that. A nice little touch that they added. I love this. I haven't seen another Jordan with it. And it says Pan Am. By the way, guys, if I'm saying this correct or not, let me know in the comment section. I'm not Mr. Google. I like learning things face to face, people to people. I don't like that whole, well, let me just Google things. It's just, I like doing it this way. Maybe it's Paname, but to me, it's always said Pan Am. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. No problem. Staying on the side of the shoe, guys, you see the white mesh right there with the black in the back. You see those long tabs in black that gives it the contrast from the burgundy in the top. Very nice. The whole ankle collar in that same tumbled leather, the whole bottom in the tumbled leather. Very nice, guys. And going all the way to the back of the shoe, that is my favorite touch right there of it all. I like the side one, but this is the one I like the most. And it says Paris Saint-Germain with the Jordan logo right in the middle in black. Very nice, guys. Surrounded completely with that burgundy and the stripes in black in the top. Very gorgeous, guys. Very gorgeous. And behind that tab, it has the number 75 in like this 3D effect. Very nice touch right there. Going into the insole of the shoe, you see the wordings in French. And honestly, guys, I'm not even gonna try because I don't want to sound like a buffoon. No, not gonna happen. But it is stitched on to the actual sole. If you guys can see it right there in the back. Now going into the midsole, you see the black, you see that burgundy all across it, and the air bubble inside is in white. Going to the sole of the shoe, don't mind it, guys, if it's a little dirty. I try to take care of it as best as possible, but it is what it is. In the toe box, you see the burgundy mixed with the white and black. Very nice. Well, as you guys can see right there, yeah, I kept all the stars intact. Yes, guys. And no, I don't duck walk because obviously you can see the little right there. You know what I'm saying? You see a little creasing. I don't duck walk, guys. But I guess I'm just lucky when it comes to this. And in the middle, it's all white with the Jordan logo in burgundy. Bordeaux. I can't stand it. So there you guys have it. Very beautiful sneaker all the way through. But this shoe, guys, is what I was saying sort of in the beginning, just to talk to you a little bit more about it. A lot of people blame this shoe for having the hype that it created back in 2020. It came out in October 10 of 2020. And man, people were going ballistic for this shoe. Ballistic. It is one of the most sought after Jordan 4s there is. But this is a shoe that you truly have to take care of. You truly have to take care of this shoe. You can't slip on it, man, because it creases very easy. Like I said, the leather is very high quality. In my case, I love that about it. It shows that it's very good quality leather, but certain people just don't like it. It is what it is, guys. But yes, big time hype behind this, and it's an actual gem, guys. I'm bringing you the sneaker review because I like to review whatever I want. I don't do the same thing as everybody else. I just bring it to you guys, and I give you the gems. I give you things that people are not into whatsoever. This is what I'm all about, guys. Talking about shoes, loving sneakers, and stepping away from just the same old thing constantly. So yes, guys, Jordan 4, Paris Saint Germain. What a thing of beauty right there, guys. And when it comes to the sizing, no, guys, the sizing hasn't changed at all. It is still the exact same sizing. Now, there is something kind of weird about this one. To me, it's actually very comfortable. I don't understand why. This shoe is actually very comfortable to me. A lot more comfortable than the grand majority of all my Jordan 4s. That's not including the SBs. But it is what it is, guys. But yes, real stylish, very nice, great colorway, shorts, jeans, however the hell you guys want to rock it. Even though I'm not a giant fan of that big goofy tongue. But it is what it is, guys. Very gorgeous. And man, I recommend you, if you guys want to get yourself a gem, this is the gem to get right here. And let's be realistic, bro. You're not going to see very much people out in the street wearing this whatsoever. And it's a good conversation topic. And man, somebody that knows J's are going to be like, yo. And that's what this whole community is all about, guys. Getting along, speaking about shoes, even though 99% of them are a bunch of haters. But hey, that's another fact, unfortunately. But it is what it is, guys. I recommend it 100%. Here's the pricing, by the way. Yes, in my case, it's going for the $300 range, high 300s. Obviously, it'll jump up with the fees and everything into the 400s. But still, for having such an epic shoe as this and the era that it came in, you can't go wrong, guys. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys, for today. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. I'm going to keep bringing more of these gems, a lot more of these type of gems, guys. Peace! Egoity!